Class 10 students, now I will do Geometric Progression chapter 11C from Concise Mathematics, Selina Publisher. These are the formula, already it is given to you. Again I am showing because this chapter also same formula required. These are the sums I am going to solve. Find the seventh term from the end of the series. This is the series I have written here also. So this seventh term from end. So A is given this r equal to second by first equal to see up to second by first. 2 means root 2 into root 2, do cancellation. So root 2 is common ratio. Now nth term is given 32. Nth term formula Tn equal to 32. Tn means a into r to the power n minus 1. Value of a already you know, so this one you put. Root 2 going that side. If you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, here it will be 2. So 2 16s are. Now 16 root 2. It is root 2 to the power 8 because root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So root 2 to the power 8 is 16. And one more root 2 is there. That is root 2 to the power 1. So power should be added. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So root 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to root 2 to the power 9. That means n minus 1 equal to 9. 1 you take that side, n equal to 10. Now you see there are 10 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have given dot to represent all the terms. You also do in this way. Why? Because in the question we have, it is told find the seventh term from the end. Seventh term from the end. So count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is seventh term. Now this term, seventh term, from the beginning which term? First, second, third, fourth. From the beginning it is fourth term. That is why I am calculating T fourth. Do you understand the technique? Fourth term. So a into r to the power 4 minus 1. Put the value of a, value of r. That is the answer. One more technique to do the sum, but this is the easiest technique, I think. That is why I did the sum in this way. Second sum if I do, you will understand more. Find the third term from the end. That means same type of sum. See, these are the terms. A is the first term, r means second by first. That is this by this, 3. Now the last one you consider nth term. So a into r to the power n minus 1 equal to this. Value of a you put, and that you take right side, it will be multiplied and 2 will be divided. After doing cancellation, this is 3 to the power 4 and this is 3 to the power 3, that is 3 to the power 7. So n minus 1 equal to 7, that means n equal to 8. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 terms. See the dot I have given. Now in the question it is told third term from the end. Find the third term from end. So third term means you do first, second, third. This is first, this is second, this is third. This is third. Third term from end I count here. So from beginning it is which term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term this is. That is why T6 I calculate. A into r to the power 6 minus 1, put the value of a and r. do the calculation. This 3 will go there and will be subtracted. So 3 square means 9 to the 18 answer. Sum number 3 also, from the GP this, find the product of fourth term from the beginning and fourth term from end. Fourth term from beginning, that is T4, and fourth term from end, what is the term we have to calculate. The same way A is this, R equal to second by first, this. Now nth term you consider 81, that is A into R to the power n minus 1 equal to 81. Value of A you put, 27 will go that side. This is 3 to the power 4, this is 3 to the power 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. That is why n minus 1 equal to 7, n equal to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 I have marked. So fourth term from the beginning, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. T4. Fourth term from the beginning is T4. And fourth term from the end, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, see arrow I have given. So count from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth term. Fourth term from the beginning, fourth term from the end is fifth term. So that is T5th. Now T5 formula, A into R to the power 5 minus 1. Put the value, get T4 formula, A into R to the power 4 minus 1. That is this into this. That is 1. T4 value 1 and T5 3. So 3 into 1 is 3 is the answer. That's all for this video.